ChatGPT, the AI language model trained by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you with a range of tasks, from answering questions to providing insights and advice. Here are 7 amazing features of ChatGPT that make it an invaluable resource for anyone seeking knowledge or guidance. Feature 1. First, ChatGPT has advanced conversational skills. It can hold natural conversations with humans, responding to questions and providing relevant information. Feature 2. Second, ChatGPT has a vast knowledge base. It has access to a wealth of information, including facts, figures, and historical data, which it can draw on to answer questions and provide insights. Feature 3. Third, ChatGPT is multilingual. It can communicate in multiple languages, making it easier for it to interact with people from different parts of the world. Feature 4. Fourth, ChatGPT has contextual understanding. It can analyze the context of a conversation and provide appropriate responses, taking into account factors such as tone, language, and topic. Feature 5. Fifth, ChatGPT is personalized. It can learn and adapt to individual user preferences, providing tailored responses and suggestions. Feature 6. Sixth, ChatGPT is available 24/7. It is always available and can provide quick and efficient responses to user queries. Feature 7. Finally, ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. It learns from user interactions and feedback, improving its ability to understand and respond to user needs. These are just some of the amazing features of ChatGPT. If you're looking for a powerful tool to help you with your questions and insights, ChatGPT is here to help. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing and informative videos.